Hello friends, welcome to another recipe in Kalo Shona channel. Today I bring you the very tasty and easy to cook recipe with raw green mangoes. It is called Amer Tok or Amer Ombol. Ombol, the word comes from or is derived from the word omlo, meaning acidic. The acid in the raw mangoes is supposed to enhance your appetite during the summer months as well as to help in digestion. So that is why this recipe is cooked especially during the summer months when raw mangoes are available in plenty and taken at the end of the food. That is, in a Bengali thali or recipe, this comes at the end of your recipe. So we start with mangoes and we peel off the green outer skin of the mangoes very carefully. Be careful to take out all the green skin so that no skin remains, otherwise it will provide a bitter taste to the recipe. So I'm taking out the green skin of the mangoes with a peeler. You can do it any way you want to. And then after the skin is taken out, you make equal thick pieces of the mango and take out as much of the flesh as you can, leaving the pith out. Here I have taken out as much pieces I could by keeping the pith inside. Now I have taken 2 mangoes and that is why the amount is that much. You can take as many as you want to, but I suggest you take 2 or 3 because the soup that is made is so nice, is sweet and sour in taste, and people usually go for the soup. Here I am putting a wok on my gas and taking white and black mustard seeds for tempering. Also I am using dry red chilies. 2 dry red chilies are enough. After the oil is heated, put the mustard and the dry red chilies in the oil. I am also adding a little bit of salt because that helps in preventing the spluttering of the mustard seeds when the oil heats up. So you can see the spluttering and hear the sound also. There, the mustard seeds are spluttering, so the tempering is done. And now we are putting in the mango pieces and mixing them very well in the oil. Or you can say you fry them a little bit in the oil, not to the extent that they are turning or changing color. I am adding salt as well as turmeric so that the mango softens very quickly. Salt and turmeric draws out the water from inside the mango and makes it soft quickly. I'm covering the pot so that the cooking is done quickly. Here the mangoes are done and I'm using normal temperature water. Do not use hot water here. Normal temperature water is sufficient, and cover the pot so that the mangoes can stew in their own juice and the water. The tempered oil gives a beautiful flavor to the raw mangoes. We specifically use mustard seeds and dry red chilies for this recipe as no other thing is believed to give such a unique flavor to it. And now comes the sugar. You have to add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar according to the raw mango sourness. If the mangoes are extremely sour, I suggest you just steam them a little bit and throw out the water and then add the mangoes to the oil. Otherwise, if the mangoes are more or less a little bit on the sweeter side, like my mangoes from my tree are, I am using lesser sugar. You have to taste the soup so that the soup now comes to a boil. You can see how it's boiling and hear the boiling sound also. This boiling helps the mangoes or their juice to get inside the soup. There, it's boiling vigorously. You allow this soup to boil vigorously. The ombol or the tok should not be too thick in consistency. It is usually drunk in a container, so that is why you have to keep a lot of watery content in this recipe. My ombol or tok is done. I'm taking it out in a separate pot. If you like my recipes and enjoy them, these are simply prepared. I request you, please do subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.